Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in this one we're gonna talk how do we download and install Python, the latest one on our Windows machine. And it's gonna be pretty straightforward and simple. So let's just quickly bring up my virtual machine. Here you go. And let's open a browser, google.com. So what we're gonna do is just type google.com and say download Python, right? As soon as we do that, we see this link. This is an official link from python.org. So when I click it, it's just gonna take me to their homepage for downloads. And there you go, you see two versions, right? Download Python 3.5.1 and download Python 2.7.11. So guys, there are two Python versions. One is 3.x and one is 2.x. So 2.x is the legacy code and 3.x is the current code, and that's the future and most supported code. As we talked about, we're gonna go with Python 3.x in this tutorial, so we're gonna go with that. And if you want to read more about the differences, you can just click here, open this in a new tab and see what's the differences. So it says it's 2.x is a legacy code and 3.x is the present and the future of the language. So just go ahead and download Python 3.5.1 and start working. And if in case you're interested in some of the other versions of Python 3.x, you can download this one. So there's one very important thing, guys, that you might have issues. In my machine, it's a virtual machine and it needs seed and time environment to download 3.5.1 Python, and my machine cannot get updates because of that, so it cannot have it. So what I'm gonna do is, for me, I'm gonna install Python 3.4.3 and I'm gonna download this one. So if you also want to download this one, just go here, click download, otherwise just click download here. So if you just, because this one is a little different, if you go this one and click download, you're gonna go to a different page, and from the files, if you have a 64-bit version, just click Windows x86-64, and if you have a 32-bit version, just click this. So once you download this thing, you'll have the packages up there. So I'm just gonna open the package from my downloads folder. So I have both the packages downloaded, but I know it's not gonna work on this one. I've tried it. There are errors because I don't have C runtime environment on my machine, so this one is not gonna work. So I'm just gonna install the 3.4.3. So I'm just gonna double click it, run it, and it says install for all users. Yes, go ahead, install it. I'm gonna click Python 3.4 next in the directory Python 3.4 under C. Click next and just click next again. It's gonna ask me again for the confirmation, and it's gonna copy all the files. So this setup looks fine. It's going great. Should be installed within few seconds. It doesn't take a long time. It's pretty quick. So if you see, this thing is opening up, it's gonna install pip, setup tools and everything, and should be done. So it says successfully installed. I can just click finish right now, and I can see my Python is installed. I can go to my C directory and I can see Python 3.4, right? So I have Python right now. So guys, just go ahead, download it, install it. Let me know if you have any trouble installing it, and post questions if you have any. Thanks for learning this one, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.